whatever day it is. No, what's up, man? Hope you have a great day. Just got back from Delaware. We're actually officially back home now, and we're about to go hit the gym. Today's back day. Time to break our back. Let's go. Pause.
We are about to go to war, baby. We are about to go to war. Nah, literally though, you have to look at your workouts like that, man. It's war against yourself, and it's not a bad thing. It's actually a really good thing, because you're there to. Well, it sounds fucked up. You're here to break down. You're here to break yourself, and mold you into somebody new, somebody who you believe you can become. Like, I think the biggest reason why a lot of people don't get results in the gym is because they never really push themselves. Like, a lot of people are already working out. A lot of people are eating right. And I am so sorry for the seatbelt noise. Let me put this on, even though the light just turned green. God damn it. It just turned green. I don't know if I'm able to do it. Yes, we did it. Yes. But yeah, a lot of reasons why most people don't get results because they don't push themselves. So this is you're starting to push yourself a little bit harder. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Let's go, but safely. Let's go. Can't forget about the C4, man. We got to get the C4 for the big Allen and the creatine. Put that little sauce on top of it. C4 secure. It's in the battle. We shake. Now look what happens when you mix, let's say C4 with beta alanine. It's like an explosion waiting to happen. Let's go. All right, we're here. Let's work.
All right, guys, so we're gonna be starting with basically a sit machine row. And the reason I prefer this over just a regular barbell row, you got more control, less momentum, so therefore more focus goes to your back. So we're gonna start with this, 4 sets of 10. Walk our way up to about like 3 plates, see how it feels, but let's get into it. I lift this shit every time. That's crazy. All right, now we're gonna go to 2 plates. So this is set 3, so I'm gonna go for another 10. And then from there, I basically gauge how 315 will feel based off 225. And the reason why I say that is because 225, I'm sorry, not 325, 225. Because 325 sometimes could feel light, sometimes could feel heavy, depending on how much you ate for that day, how much sleep you got for that day. So all these factors come into play when it comes to your journey. We want to make sure that you're really honing in all of them. So we'll see how that goes. I slept well, I ate well. It should be easy. Let's go. And again, the reason why I prefer this over like the regular row is because when I'm here, all I gotta do is just focus on driving up while keeping my hips in a fixed position. When you have a row, a lot of times you guys allow your hips to actually lift the weight up, so therefore it takes away from your back. So swim machines are a great way to keep the not pain, but tension on your back, allowing for more growth and more stability. So definitely implement it. Now let's go. So let me break it all down for you. We'll probably get like 6, but let's try. Slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. So fucked. That should have been like an easy 6, but it was like a struggling 3, so we're gonna drop down and finish up with 2. That's alright.
Like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section, and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected, and they're filled with rejection, too filled for recollection, so we're...
Alright, all set with that. Now we're gonna move to hammer rows. I do them a little differently. I like to do them standing, not sitting, and I'll show you why. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna start with 2 on each side. We're gonna do that for the first 2 sets. Go for like 12 to 15, and then last 2 sets probably gonna go to 3. Maybe work our way up to 4, depending on how I feel again. But overall, let's get into it. And I'll show you why I prefer standing on this, especially if you're like around my height. Now, the reason why I like doing this standing is whenever I bring this seat up, I bring it to probably the highest possible. then I always end up being like too much pressure on my chest. So therefore now it kind of like slows down, but most importantly affects my breathing. So I like to do it standing, so my chest is above the pad, and therefore allows me to actually get my full range without, let's say, putting too much pressure on my chest. And even if I were to go lower, it still feels the same. I don't know why, but just something weird whenever I'm in this angle, it just doesn't feel pleasant. So I like to stand up, makes it a lot easier. So that's why I like to do it standing. So let's get into it. So let me break it all down for you. Taking that crown from you. I'm not gonna lie, I might go 2 and then 3 and then 3 again, and then for the last one. Because 2 kind of felt a little bit light. Time to wake up. Come on. Now we're gonna go lumbar row. Should I single arm row? We'll just finish with chest. Not chest. We'll finish with fuck. Let me catch my breath. Catch you in a bit. Now lumbar row is basically a kneeling, pulling single arm row. So from here, and the only reason I prefer using a bench is a more support, more stability, because usually when we're doing this thing, like any single arm row, let's say you're not using anything to, let's say, offset momentum, meaning if you're doing a standing tall, then the heavier you go, the more likely you're leaning forward. So for me, I like to use this, put my hips into the bench, keep me supported. So therefore when I row, all I feel is my back. So I definitely add this into your routine. We're gonna do 3, basically 12. And then from there on, go to basically bicep curls, dumbbells. And from there on, we'll probably come back to the cables to do pullovers. And we'll probably do a superset with dumbbells as well too. So let's go. And when you're pulling, act like you're dragging your forearms against that bench. 2. Stretch, squeeze. This whole fucking game now. Y'all don't really know. And when I rap, yeah, man, I snap fast. Like your girl's back, hit a clap, clap, break it in, smack. Shotty like a quick snack. Like it when I'm on a bit. So it's very important, whenever you're doing back, have at least 2 compound movements, have at least 2 isolations, to really help you fully develop your back. You better get cracked, so you better move back. Y'all don't wanna play with the pro, not today. I'ma make you wish you were gone in my head. You will be my bitch, be my palm when I play. You will be my bitch, take my palm to the face. You know I'm your bitch when I'm on fucking stage. You ain't never gonna get me to be tame. I go insane, you can't detain. It's me, yo, when I came to stay. Cause girl, I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Two zoom in, 2 zoom in, 2 zoom in, 2 zoom in. Oh my god. Back to back. Shit was a 170. Alright, bro, 170. One thing with this, especially doing pullovers, push with the meat of your hand. You'll get a better amount of muscle, and once your hips are in that fixed position, just straighten out your back, not too straight to where you're this way, but to where your chest is slightly upright. And then drive right towards your hips. Bro, she'll be fucking crazy. Let's go.
I said you better watch what you're doing, cause I ain't gonna stop when
Good curls. Let's go. Oh shit.
I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. I know I'll treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night. I'm sick of being nothing. Right, I'm gonna be something. All right, with every breath, trust me. I'ma be the one at the top, you can't touch me.
Come on, baby, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Somebody like me who wants to be something ugly. With every word coming, I would rather die than be someone who's not.
Come on. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's do some posing. Fuck. Woo. Fam, I'm telling you, man. It's all within you, man. Oh, shit. We just went all dark. 50 Shades of Grey up in here. Nah, let me stop. But nah, man. It is truly all within you. Everything that you want when it comes to your physique, to your body. It's all there, man. It's all possible for yourself. You know, it's a lifetime natural. And like I was saying before, everybody always asking, what am I taking? What am I taking? One, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of genetics. And two, it's just hard work, man. There's nothing else to it. It's hard work, showing up for yourself. And just making sure that day in and day out, you do the things that you must do to put you in a position that you need to be. Meaning, show up for that workout. Yes, you're sitting on the couch. Yes, it feels comfortable. But bro, you gotta be able to say, yo, enough is enough. How long are we gonna keep repeating this and keep saying, why are we not there? Why is this person there and I'm not there? Then fucking work towards it. If you keep sitting there and guessing and saying and wishing, bro, you're not doing anything for yourself and you're doing yourself a disservice. Especially when you have ambitious goals. And I'm not saying just towards fitness, towards life in general, man. You gotta want it and you gotta work for it, man. I'm telling you. It's the only way you're gonna get to where you wanna be. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's not gonna happen just by getting lucky. And the thing is, to even get lucky, you need to put yourself in a position to actually get that. So remember, it's all about the hard work that you put in. The effort you get in is the exact result you get out. So yeah, by time natty, baby. Let's get it. I ain't gonna lie, this bulk is feeling good. Currently right now at 207, feeling very confident. I'm on my way to 210 and then all the way to 220. The goal again is to get to 220 lean, you know, still maintain my physique. Not too much body fat, put on tons of muscle within the next 2 years. My back post could be a little bit better. Probably because I'm tight, but it is what it is. But yeah, I got 2 years to basically bulk and I'm taking my time, man. Come along the journey though, because I'm telling you, this shit's the beginning, baby. Like, especially after like 2 ACL injuries in the past. Now I'm finally at the point where I'm 100, actually I'm at 95%. Legs still, there are days where it's not the best, but I do what I gotta do. But I'm at 95% and that's enough for me to get to where I need to get to the next level. So yeah, I'm gonna utilize it, I'm gonna embrace it. Let's go. That being said, fam, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this back day. Hope this motivated you. Get your workout in and go get it in today, baby. Let's go. That being said, the best day ever. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Peace.
Always do it on my own.